A flat now. All right, so we started off in G, coming from the 4. How great as I got to the 5. Normally it goes back to the 1, but we're gonna do our key change up to A flat right here. All right, so first chord, we're gonna play the E flat diminished 7. All right, this chord will come, if you look back at the key of G, we're coming off the 4, off the 5. All right, this where this chord comes right here. All right, so we're playing a E flat diminished 7, left hand E flat, right hand playing an A diminished 7, A, C, E flat, G flat. All right, E flat diminished 7. All right, we're gonna take it up a half step and play an E minor 7. Left hand E, B, and E. Right hand B, D, E, and G. All right, then I'm gonna take the left hand up a major third to my new 1, the 1 of my new key, which is the A flat. And in my right hand, I'm gonna take the note that's on G and put it on A flat. All right, so I have just moving those 3 notes. Everything else stay the same. Once again. All right, let's look at that as my new 1. All right, then I'm gonna play a 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, B flat minor 7, left hand B flat. You can play the F if you want to. Right hand A flat, D flat. 3 chords, gonna be a C minor 7, left hand C. You can play the G if you want. Right hand B flat, E flat. 4 chord, D flat major 7, left hand D flat, A flat. Right hand C and F. All right, then I'm gonna take it to my 5, which is F. I'm sorry, E flat 7. Left hand E flat, B flat. Right hand D flat, E flat, G. And that's gonna set me up to my 1. All right, so once again, we're coming out of G, all right, off my 4 chord, 5 of G, key change. Then, how great. All right, so once again, one more time, real slow, all right. Right to my 1. All right, so yeah, hope they help. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.